Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Sis Katie! Today is not just a celebration of your birthday, but it is also a celebration of life, kindness, strength, and inspiration that you give and bring to the people's lives that you love. I am so blessed that I found a sister, not just a friend, but a sister who always is here for me, who always support, always remind me na magpahinga naman dahil sa dami kong ginagawa. And ikaw din, sis, always getting a best. Alam ko napaka-busy mo din, and in the future, alam ko din, magiging busy ka dahil alam ko, isa ka sis, counselor ng Barangay 170. And always remember that I am always here to support you and always be proud of you. Alam ko naman natatakot ka dahil gusto mo na mas makatulong ka sa iba. Thank you so much, sis, because you always keep on telling me that you are proud of me even I am just achieving small things in life. Papasaya sa akin. Thank you so much. I feel so grateful. I wish you all the happiness and all the best in life that I believe that you deserve. I love you so much. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi! Ito po si Ate Kay. Nais kong batiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Si Miss Katie Rota. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang kaarawan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Inay Roda, ang pambansang katawan ng Singapore. Ayan ha, pabata ka ng pabata. I miss you and I love you. I wish all the best in life. I know you have everything, but I wish you have a good health and make a blast today. And I'm sending my hug and my kisses to you here from the Netherlands. Itutuloy natin ang modeling, ha? Love ya, see you soon.
Na nag-iisang Diyosa ng North Caloocan na of course ang walang kakupas-kupas, nag-iisang Katie Rhoda. Katie Rhoda, hi na, kumusta na? Happy birthday to you and God bless you. Hope to see you soon. Stay healthy, slim, and lovely. Love you na, Katie. Happy birthday!
Hi, Inay Roda. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day po. Stay healthy at sexy para pak na pak. Bet na bet. I miss you so much, Inay. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Katie Roda! Shungi Burstag Dildu, Shungi Burstag Dildu, Shungi Burstag liebe Katie, Shungi Burstag Dildu. Yes! Happy birthday from Germany. Cash from Germany. Love you.
Thank you very much sa lahat. Yung vacation ko is naging super memorable dahil sa iyo, sa company na nakilala ko, kay Ceci Chong, kay Sir John, kay Mami Beshi, kay KP, at kay Junior, kay Manuel. Sobrang saya ko na nakita ko kayo, na nakapagbakasyon ako rito sa hindi inaasahan. Basta Katie, ang sabi ko lang sa iyo, be humble. Ang pagtulong, okay lang yan. As far as sa yung family, laging inuuna. Ang saya-saya ng bakasyon ko, hindi ko to makakalimutan. Ingat parati, and hoping next time I could spend my vacation on your special day. I want to meet also your husband, Rob. Hi, Rob. Thank you for loving my cousin. Hope you will love her rather, for the rest of her life. Thank you very much and welcome to the family. Mamimiss ko kayong lahat. Thank you very much. Once again, happy birthday, Katie Roda. Mwah! Bye-bye you! See you!
Oh, hello, Dang! Happy birthday, my dear sister. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo at patuloy lang sa pagiging mabuting tao at maging matulungin sa iyong pamilya. At masasabi ko lang, sana more birthdays to come, good health and successful sa life mo, at good health na rin sa pamilya mo, kasi alam naman natin na love natin ang family, mahilig tayong tumulong sa family natin, at saka ang pagkakaibigan natin hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Mamahalin kita bilang isang kapatid, bilang isang kapamilya, at higit sa lahat, mananatili kitang kaibigan magpakailanman. Happy birthday ulit, and sana mag-enjoy ka tonight. Thank you. Love you, sis.
Hi, good day everyone. I'm making this video for my one and only best friend, Katie Roda. Happy birthday to you, Bessie. Alam mo yan, hindi ko na kailangang isa-isahin. From before up till now, nag-iisa ka na best friend ko. I am wishing you all the best that you deserve, dahil isa kang mabuting kaibigan, mabuting anak, at napakabuting tao. I wish na magkaroon ka ng best of health together with your family, at sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad. I'm so happy for you with Rob. I hope that you will be stronger together forever. Yan. Kahit wala ako dyan, alam mo yan, yung puso ko, yung ano ko nasa iyo yan, kasama mo. Kahit saan man ako nandoon. Babawi ako next year. And salamat sa mga nag-abalang pumunta, as always, sa bongga mong birthday party. And regards to everyone, again, I'm wishing you all the best that life has yet to offer. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.